Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I'm going to say you how to manage the time in BCS and EVS examination. These are non-core subjects, or we can also say set papers, which are for degree first year students. Only degree first year students will be having these subjects as their non-core subject in semester examination. So let us see how we can manage the time in this subject examinations. Okay, these are not like your normal subjects which will be for 80 marks. These subjects will be considered as only 40 marks examination. Okay, 40 marks will be there for EVS as well as BCS. You will be having only 40 marks question paper. In question paper you will be having two parts, part A and part B. Okay, so these are two parts. Part A will be purely based on short questions, part B will be purely based on long questions. Two parts will be there. First part, or part A, will considered as 10 marks, or the part B will be considered as 30 marks part. Okay, so here 10 marks for part A, 30 marks for part B. On whole you will be getting 40 marks. Now let us talk about how we have to manage the time in this examination. Managing time is really very much important, because you will not be given 80 marks paper in 3 hours. This is just 40 marks, right? So you will be given only 1.5 hour. Okay, only 1.5 hour. 1 hour 30 minutes will be given for this examination. For these subjects you have to manage the time. 1 hour 30 minutes you have to utilize perfectly to attempt a complete question paper. Now let us talk about how much time you have to give for one question. In this 1.5 hour, you give 1 hour for part B, or long question answers. In long question answers, you need to attempt any two. From one question, you will be having choice, like fifth one will be A and B. Here you can attempt any one. Okay, if you are going with A, you give 30 minutes for A, or 30 minutes for fifth question, or question number 5. You have to give half an hour. You have to write the complete answer, like subheadings, explanation, headings, all whatever you want to write. You have to present the answer perfectly. 30 minutes you give to one question. After this 5 you will be again having 6. Okay, let me show you. After 5, 6 will be there, A and B. Only two questions will be there in the part B. Okay, here 6, if you feel B is easy, go with the B and give 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes for one, 30 minutes for the other question. Two questions will be completed, 1 hour will be completed. Utilize the time perfectly. See the watch and write it perfectly, managing the time. Okay, 1 hour have been completed. Yes, now 30 minutes are left. In part A you need to attempt two, like 4 questions will be given, 1 2 3 4, but no need to go with the 4. Okay, whatever you feel easy you can go with any of the two. Now here 30 minutes will be there. No, in 30 minutes 15 minutes you give to one question, and the other 15 minutes you give to the other question. And don't think these are the short questions, so I will be writing only half page or 4 lines. No, you have to write complete one side. If you're writing more than one side, that will be perfectly fine, but not less than one side. Okay, try to write one paper. If you need, write like two sides. So you have to manage the time like that. 1 hour for long and the half an hour for short. If you feel like short, you can just complete in 20 minutes. You give 10 minutes for one and other 10 minutes for the other question. Here you will be giving 1 hour, right? In the part B, here you give one 10 minutes, like 35 minutes for one question and other 35 minutes for the other question, like that. So you have to manage the time like this. Okay, on whole I'm trying to say you that these subjects are really very important, and easily you can score O grade in this subject. So in order to score O grade, you just manage the time perfectly. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. All the very best for your examination.